Yes guys, good morning. Let me hope you're fine. Guys, I've been kind of busy these days. This is just the 3 to 2 days. That's why I've not been releasing any video. But I'm soon showing you how this very cheap brooder, cheap and simple brooder, how it's made. Let me hope you're seeing it, guys. Let me hope you're seeing it. Yeah, just using the stacks of the empty sacks of the maize brand. These sacks, these normal sacks of kutia. Yeah, I'm going to show you how simple it was. It can be done without using a lot of money. These are wood shavings. Let me show you guys. Hold on, guys. These are wood shavings. The ones I'm using. So this is the brooder. Right. So let me open for you guys and you see. Yeah, this is where the chicks came from. Or what? They were packed in these two plastic boxes. So let me show you this brooder. I don't want to open it because it's too early. Let me first close that door. It is too early. It is still cold in the morning. Yeah, the window is closed to ensure the whole place is covered. So let me from up here. This is the brooder, guys. This is a lamp. Etala y'omukono. So guys, we said tulina amasanyalaze and electricity. What? No, guys. You see, guys, these are just the covers of these whatevers, all these big buckets. You see, there is one here. These ones. Now these are the wooden feeders. This is an oldie pot. Then there is a new one. This one. This is the drinker. And here are the chicks. These are dual purpose. So what I did down here, I didn't use those brooding papers of yours. Me, I use the coffee husks. Not the coffee, this is wood shavings. So I put this sack like this. Like when they are living on that thing very well. I hope you're seeing, guys. So I'll be showing you other stuff, guys, how this very cheap brooder is made. No brooder papers, no smart electricity. I've just put this light just for what? This light here just to show you that to make clear thing of the video, so that the video can be clear. But I'm using the lamp, only this lamp. So that is it, guys. Have to close it so that you get it out the warmth. Where is this light? It's here. That's the brooder. Very cheap, very simple. No what? But we need to buy this, buy taplines, buy whatever, cardboards, do what? Nope. Just using these sacks put here. So the first few days I have to give them this glucovit. Yeah, glucovit is half glucose, half is vitamin. This word gluco, it's like this. Glucose stands for glucose. Then this vit is vitamin. So they couldn't, maybe they cut off the last letters. It would have been glucose vitamin. So it is glucovit. Yeah, this is what you give them in the first few days. Among its importance, provides energy and vitality to brooder chicks, weak animals undergoing treatment, collapsed animals, dehydrated birds, animals recovering from the area, all cases requiring rehydration, quick recovery from diseases, has no adverse reaction with other medications, has no residue effect. So this is it, guys. This is it, guys. No brooder effect. This is what it is. Study purposes. So the brooder is already, I will cover the window. Yeah. Now these other ladies are here. These ones are not okay. They are under special care. They're outside. Now these other women are here. These other ladies. Yes, guys, good morning. Another day for these dual purpose. So I have to close here so that we keep the warmth inside. Yeah, this is the cheapest brooder, guys. Those are sacks, empty sacks of maize bran. This is wood shavings. This one and that one. This is some charcoal. This is another pot. This is ilusignente. You see, there is no. They are piling up because the warmth isn't enough. Let me first work on that.